Hi there, folks, and welcome to the Word Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 257. So, a wee shopping history lesson for you, first of all. A Tesco receipt from 1989 has been unearthed, and while we'd expect with inflation, many products or most products to be more expensive, for example, lemons and cheddar cheese. Interestingly, there were some items that were more expensive back in 1989, so some meat products like pork spare ribs. But anyway, of the 24 items on the receipt, in the comparison with the receipt today, it's £8.65 more expensive today than to buy those items in 1989. So how much would it cost to buy these 24 items today? So we've got the cost from 1989, and we need to add the £8.65 on. So that gives us £33.22. Although of course we could probably knock that down a wee bit more if any of those items were club card prices. So on to our sports story. So obviously the breaking news that Lionel Messi had signed for Paris Saint-Germain. They've been selling an awful lot of shirts in the meantime with his name on it. 150,003 in the space of 7 minutes this week. So on average, how many shirts would this be per minute? Well, we need to take the number of shirts and share it equally amongst each of the 7 minutes. So that comes to 21,429 shirts a minute. Staggering. So if they were selling at the same rate, how many would be sold per hour? So this is for 1 minute, so there's 60 minutes in an hour, so we need to multiply this figure by 60. So that gives us 1,285,740 shirts per hour. So if a typical shirt costs €158, how much was made from selling the shirts during these 7 minutes? So it was 150,003 shirts, and each of them are costing €158. So we need to multiply those two numbers again to get this staggering amount of money. Now we have to give an answer in words, so that would be 23,700,474. So Lionel Messi making a significant contribution to his wages there, just in shirt sales alone. Okay, so on to our next story. Shocking advert from Specsavers here. Algebra is hard, contact lenses aren't. We don't disagree with the sentiment of making contact lenses to be a really easy thing to do, but do we have to really do the maths comparison that they did there when, ironically, to be an optometrist in Specsavers, they state on their website that a love of maths will help. So is algebra easy? Take this eye test to find out. So what's the value of A plus D, two of the letters in our poster here? Well, A is 1, D is 4, so that would be 1 plus 4, which is 5. So for B, we've got H take away G, so H is 8, G is 7, so 8 take away 7 is 1. So C, we've got BC. Now in algebra, if two letters are next to each other, as they are in the poster, that means we're timesing them. So it's going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. Slightly trickier one for the last one, 12E, so that's 12 times E, so that'll be 12 times 5. We're going to take away 10F, so we're going to take away 10 times 6. And then we just do the multiplying first and then the subtraction at the end because of the order of operations. So 12 times 5 is 60. We're taking away 10 times 6, which is also 60. And 60 take away 60 is 0. So on to our final story. Italy, Sicily to be precise, a record temperature in Europe, 48.8 degrees Celsius. So what is this in Fahrenheit? So we've got this formula that helps us do it. It's 9 over 5 multiplied by 48.8 and then add the 32. And it's just do with the skills, the number skills now to work this out, to evaluate this. So we get 48.8. We're going to divide by 5. We're going to times by 9, and then we're going to add 32, and that's going to give us an answer of 119.84 degrees Fahrenheit. Stunning weather there, but I think for us in Britain, the summer looks very much over, although there is rumours of a heat wave later on in August when this really hot weather in Italy is actually going to be working its way up. But anyway, folks, that was our What Solutions for this week. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.